Hi, Doug from J.Racenstein. Today we're going to talk about Deck Restoration Plus Cleaner and Remover. I have done this deck 2 years ago, and it's time for me to clean it. And this is just going to add this to 5 gallons of water. We're going to mix it up. We're going to lightly scrub it with these nice soft brushes. These brushes are actually from J.Racenstein as well. But we're going to agitate it. We're going to rinse it off. We're going to let it dry. Then we're going to throw some stain on it. So this is going to be a lot of pictures added to this after we're done, but Deck Restoration Plus, it is the magic to restore your wood deck. Doug from J.Racenstein, enjoy. Alright, we've cleaned the deck and now we're applying the DRP deck and wood stain just to make it look beautiful. Look at that, a new deck in just one day. Amazing. Thank you, DRP and Abram, the Wizard of Wood. Shout out from Doug from J.Racenstein. It's as easy as it gets. Bye.